Are you looking to get in the meal plan industry, or maybe you've started, but you don't know what your next move is? Well, I would love to talk to you about how I would start a meal plan company with $500 and all of the knowledge that I've amassed over the last 6 years. Who am I? My name is Casey Cochran. I'm a co-founder in fitfoodfresh.com. We deliver exclusively to South Florida. We are Florida's highest rated meal plan company. Check us out on Yelp. Please do so. Fit Food Fresh out of Boca Raton, Florida. And what I would like to do is share with you how I would start tomorrow with nothing but $500, no network, no leads, no nothing, $500, and the knowledge, all the solutions, all the problems I've solved, all the situations I've seen. What would I do? What would sales look like starting fresh? What would our ordering system look like? What would production look like? Delivery? What materials would we invest in? I'm going to tell you, most importantly, what not to waste your money on. Trust me, in your first year of business, it's not just a game of pennies like that. Like, I can't even stress to you how invaluable this information is. If there's a free version of software or a cheaper version of software, I have found it, and I will love to share it with you because that's just who I am. I love finding the most clever, cheap, and efficient way to do it. So I've squeezed a lot of use out of different software programs to make things more efficient, and a lot of things that are going to get you off of the spreadsheet and whatever antiquated system that you're probably using when you first start off. If I can give you those weapons that the big guys use or something similar, imagine how much easier it's going to be for you to run your business and provide a higher level of service to your clients. And that's what it's about. And that's why I'm not afraid of sharing this information. There's so many people, literally everybody eats. There's too many clients for any of us to ever put another meal plan out of business unless that meal plan is not treating their customers the right way. So why bother keeping secrets when we can create a little community, create some dialogue, and share, go back and forth, share tips, tricks, and even just some scars, because I assure you, man, this business is one for the books. So without further ado, like, subscribe, and definitely comment, because this is all going to be guided based on what you guys want me to discuss. If there's anything in particular that you'd like me to fast forward to, by all means, let me know. I'm here to serve and hopefully make your life a little bit easier.